These spectral signatures show a clear anomaly in the infrared spectrum.
The AI flagged these as potential
Zoom in on this cluster. The growth rate is lagging behind the projection.
Noted. Let's cross-reference with the nutrient levels.
Look at the consumption spike on the western irrigation pumps.
We can adjust the flow rate here. That should optimize the load.
The deliveries on the real stores.
The historical trends confirm the efficacy of the last release in Sector 4.
The predictive model shows stabilization.
The growth rate in Sector 4 is increasing. The barriers are holding steady for now.
Color coding confirms optimal maturity in the eastern quadrant.
Rerouting the harvest team accordingly.
This section here is showing high density. What density do you?
We should schedule thinning for the next cycle.
As predicted, the footprint is minimal. We are seeing a positive contribution to biodiversity.
The data aligns perfectly with the model.
The sequestration rates are exceeding projections.
Confirmed. Moso Bamboo is highly effective as a carbon sink.
The predictive model shows a 98% confidence level for the Moso yield this quarter.
That aligns perfectly with the current climate data.
We need to clear this area immediately. Understood.
When operating the SawPro 900, always check your footing in the bamboo.
Moisture content confirmed at 12%.
Good, the reject just diverted.
All culms verified and stored.
The robotic arms are performing optimally. We are ready for conversion.
The strain gauges confirm the yield strength.
It meets the building code requirements for structural applications.
The Moso Bamboo shipment for Sector 4 just arrived.
Confirmed. The RFID tag is active and logged.
The bamboo fibers are automatically conveyed into a multi-zone drying and conditioning oven. This process
we need to prioritize the Moso Bamboo fibers on level 9.
Got it. Adjusting the retrieval schedule.
Manifest confirmed. Seal is secure.
All right, clear for loading.
The predictive model suggests shifting the Moso fibers to the Suez route.
That will save us 2 days and reduce emissions.
A grand vision for a sustainable future.
utilizing bamboo in diverse applications from flooring to construction and textiles.